Hello everybody, my name is Novita and now I would like to explain you about compounding that's studied in English morphology. But before it, I will tell you the definition of morphology first. Well, morphology is a study and description of word formation to form a new meaning in sentence or in language. So compounding is the process of combining two or more words to create a new word. For example, when you combine black as an adjective and bird as a noun, it will be blackbird, and it will have a new meaning too. And compound can be written into three types. The first one, word, for example, sunglasses. The second is two hyphenated words, for example, life-threatening. And the last is two separate words, for example, football stadium. Compounds can be recognized into two forms. The first is stress, where compound tend to be stressed on the first element, so that's why it's named compound stress rule. For example, the green carpet, so the stress is in focal A in carpet. The second is the notion of head. Compound has an important systematic property, and their head usually occurs on the right hand head. So that's why its name is right hand head rule. Right hand head rule has three types. The first, when the head has feminine gender, for example, famous actors. So actress show feminine gender in it. And then if the head is verb, for example, window, shop, shortcut, toothbrush. So shop, cart, and brush is the head and as the verb in it. And the last is if the head is noun, the compound will be a noun too. For example, football. So ball is the head and as the noun in the compound. And compound can be divided into four types. The first, nominal compound. Nominal compound is compound with noun as head, and it has two types too. The first, endocentric compound, where the semantic head of this compound is inside the compound. For example, is book cover. And the second is exocentric compound, where the semantic head is outside the compound. For example, redneck. Redneck is a kind of person. So the meaning of redneck is outside the word. The second is adjectival compound. Adjectival compound is compound with adjective as head. For example, deep and cold-blooded. So deep and cold are the adjective in the compound. And the third is verbal compound. Verbal compound has verb as the head. For example, broadcast and waterproof. So cast and proof are the verb and as the head in it. And the last is neoclassical compound. They are forms in which lexeme of Latin or Greek origin are combined to form a new combination. For example, biochemistry and photograph. So bio and photo is the neoclassical compound, and they are as the head in it. So that's all about my explanation. I hope you can understand what I say and you can get knowledge from it. Thank you.